Hi friends, in this video we're going to talk about 5 major environmental movements that happened in India. With the Earth's natural resources depleting at a very fast rate, these eco-warriors had put their best foot forward to protect our planet. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The earth has enough for every man's needs, but not for every man's greed." Let's understand these 5 environmental movements that had left their mark on the rich Indian history. Let's first talk about one of the earliest environmental movements in India, the Bishnoi movement. In the 1700s in Khejarli in the Marwar region of Rajasthan, trees were ordered to be cut for a new palace to be built. One of the villagers, Amrita Devi, could not bear to witness such an exploitation. To stop the deforestation, she hugged the trees while also encouraging others to do the same. More than 360 Bishnoi villagers were martyred in this movement. The Bishnoi faith that was established in 1485 AD by Guru Maharaj Jambaji prohibited them from harming trees and animals. The Maharaja, upon learning about these events, rushed to the village and apologized to the community and ordered the soldiers to cease their operations. He then declared the Bishnoi state a protected area. Another movement with the main objective of protecting the trees from being cut was the Chipko movement, which was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Bahuguna enlightened the villagers about the importance of trees, telling them how they prevent soil erosion and benefit the environment with rain and purified water. The main demand of the protest was that the trees should not be cut as they benefit the locals. The Chipko movement garnered publicity in 1978 when a few women had to face police brutalities. The then Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister set up a committee to look into the matter, which eventually ruled in favor of the villagers. The event went on to become an example for all future environmental movements across the world. Similarly, Uttara Kannada and Shimoga districts of Karnataka saw a southern version of the Chipko movement known as the Apiko movement. The movement used various methods to raise awareness, such as foot marches in the interior forests, slide shows, folk dances, street plays, etc. The main aim of the movement was to rally against the felling and commercialization of the natural forests and disturbing the tribal livelihood. Another movement that we'll talk about is the Save Silent Valley movement. Silent Valley is a tropical area in Kerala which is rich in biodiversity. In 1978, the lush evergreen cover was to be deforested for the construction of a hydroelectric dam across the Kuntipura river. The locals feared that the project would submerge a large part of the green cover around the dam area. Several NGOs opposed the project and urged the government to abandon the same. The famous poet activist Sugata Kumari played an important role in the Silent Valley protests. In January 1981, the government gave in to the demands of the population and called off the project. They declared the Silent Valley as a protected area. The fourth environmental movement in India that we'll talk about is the Jungle Bachao Andolan. In 1982, in the Singhbum district of Bihar, the state government had decided to replace the natural sal forests with the highly prized teakwood trees. The tribals of Singhbum protested this decision. The movement was called by many environmentalists as greed game political populism. It later spread into the states of Jharkhand and Odisha. The next environmental movement that we'll discuss is the Narmada Bachao Andolan. Led by Metha Patka with the support of Arundhati Roy, Baba Amte and Amir Khan, along with the Adivasis, farmers, environmentalists and human rights activists, the Narmada Bachao Andolan took place in the year 1985. The main aim of the movement was to protest the building of several large dams across the Narmada River. It was kicked off when the people displaced by the construction of the Sardar Sarovar Dam were not provided proper rehabilitation and resettlement. Although unsuccessful, they turned the focus into the preservation of the environment and the ecosystems of the valley. The Narmada Bachao Andolan questioned the model of unchecked development across the world. If you found this video useful, give it a like and share it with your friends. This is Oli Green, and Oli Green is all about making our world a greener place. Please do join us in our journey by subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell button so that you don't miss anything.